With seemingly no end to the prolonged Russia-Ukraine war, the US is now planning to bring an abrupt change in the battlefield by sending in its big guns. For months, US officials refused to supply M1 Abrams tanks to Ukraine, claiming that they were too complicated to maintain and repair. However, this has changed, and Ukraine's desperate request for tanks is met with a resounding yes. The United States declared that it will send 31 of its 70-ton Abrams combat tanks to Ukraine, and this is very much bad news for Russia. For decades, M1 Abrams tanks have led American battle assault. The tank, with a crew of 4, was first sent to battle in 1991 and boasts almost every capability you would expect from a tank and more. Considering the more recent times, during America's 2003 invasion of Iraq, the Battle Titan spearheaded the assault on Baghdad when the 3rd Infantry Division Regiment staged thunder runs to breach Iraqi fortifications. The Abrams M1A2 is a modernized version of the Abrams main battle tank, MBT, in use by the United States Army, and the same is being sent to Ukraine. In July 2018, the US Army placed an order with General Dynamics to upgrade 100 M1A1 MBTs to M1A2. In January 2019, General Dynamics Land Systems got a $714 million delivery order from the US Army to upgrade an additional 174 M1A1 MBTs to the M1A2. The new version outperforms its predecessors in terms of protection and survival, as well as lethality. The tank also has technological upgrades such as enhanced armor, communications, reliability, sustainment, and fuel efficiency. The M1A2 Abrams incorporates JTRS handheld man-pack and tiny form-fit radios to enable network readiness and interoperability with future brigade combat teams, BCTs. The MBT now is 9.7 meters long, 3.7 meters wide, and 2.4 meters tall, with a crew of 4 that includes a driver, commander, loader, and gunner. The M256 120mm smoothbore cannon mounted on the MBT can fire M829A4 Advanced Kinetic Energy and Advanced Multipurpose AMP rounds to defend armored vehicles, soldiers, and low-flying aircraft. The tank is also outfitted with a low-profile LP Common Remotely Operated Weapon System, CROWS, and a 12.7mm machine gun. A 7.62mm M240 machine gun is also coaxially attached to the main gun. It has high explosive shells, armor, penetrating bullets, and even guided missiles at its disposal. The latter is a scaled-down version of the Excalibur round, which is employed by artillery. Regular shots lose accuracy after 2.5 miles, but the Excalibur can travel 3 times that distance. With these munitions, the tank can even take down the low-flying Russian fighters, which the Ukrainian air defense systems could not touch. Russia's fighters have evolved to fly at low altitudes, giving the Abrams a perfect opportunity to shoot them down. And even if that is not enough, to identify threats, the tank boasts an enhanced forward-looking infrared, IFLIR. In comparison to the previous second-generation FLIR, the IFLIR uses long and mid-wave infrared technology to improve target acquisition, identification, and engagement. The CROWS will be outfitted with an enhanced day camera that will blend different FOVs using picture-in-picture technology. In wide FOV, it provides a 340% larger scene. On the other hand, the Ammunition Data Link, ADL, on board guarantees that the M829A4 and AMP rounds are programmed. The hull and turret incorporate a revised armor package to provide improved protection against improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The tank has reactive and slat armor that may be hinged, while the electronic warfare system Crew Duke V3 counter-remote-controlled IED, RCIED, defends the crew against roadside bombs and IED strikes. M256 barreled smoke grenade dischargers are mounted on either side of the turret. An engine-driven system can also lay a smokescreen. The M1A2 is powered by a Honeywell AGT 1500 gas turbine engine with a 1500 horsepower output. During silent watch operations, the auxiliary power unit behind the armor allows the tank to operate onboard systems with a low probability of detection. However, when the vehicle is immobile, the generator allows the turret to operate without using the main engine, resulting in greater fuel efficiency. The tank also has advanced power generation and distribution systems, such as a higher amperage alternator, a slip ring, an improved hull power distribution unit / cabin remote switching modules, and a battery monitoring system. The running gear consists of 7 road wheels, a driving sprocket in the back, an idler in front, and 2 return rollers on either side. Rotary shock absorbers are installed at the 1st, 2nd, and 7th road wheel stations. In addition to the US, Germany has shown interest to send in the Leopards or allow allies to send them. While the US officials would say that it will take many months to deliver the Abrams tanks, the country thinks that the German-made Leopards are a better fit because Ukrainian troops could get them and get trained on them far more quickly and easily. How do you think the Abrams would turn the course of the battle? Tell us in the comments below. This brings us to the end of the video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing you more content like this. See you next time!